Hello everyone. I'm going to teach you about a tabletop strategy. Tabletop strategy is to help you learn how to write better and to have it more organized, okay? So if you pretend that this rectangle right here, that's a tabletop, and going around the tabletop is the tablecloth. It's a tablecloth, okay? And then these three are the table legs right here. These three are table legs. And then of course this is the floor. Okay? So if you pretend that this is a tabletop and this is your main idea or introduction sentence, will your tabletop stand up with one leg? Nope, with one leg it'll totally fall over. With two legs, it might be okay, but it's probably going to fall. But with three supporting legs, your tabletop's going to stand up and it'll be strong. So that's what we want to do with our tabletop strategy. So the main idea or introduction is our tabletop, and it's a pretty general statement. Then we have our supporting details or our facts, supporting detail number 2, and supporting detail number 3. Now, the tablecloth goes all the way around the table because the topic includes all of this. Okay? Your supporting detail supports your main idea, supports your main idea, and supports your main idea. Your conclusion sentence is you restate your introduction in the conclusion. Okay, I will teach you all about that in building informational writing. Okay, thanks friends. And the other thing I wanted to teach you is you probably don't have this nice little diagram, so I'm going to teach you how to make one at home. You just have a blank piece of paper, and you can take a crayon, a pen, a pencil, it doesn't matter, and you're going to just draw your tabletop like that. Then you can draw your supporting details, your supporting legs, just like that. And then this will be the tabletop. Okay, and then at the bottom you just have a floor right here. That's your conclusion. Okay, so it doesn't have to be beautiful. It just has to make sense to you, because you have to be able to organize your thoughts so that your paragraph makes sense. Okay, if you have any questions on that, I can definitely help you with that. All right, my friends, kiss your brain.